Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your headphones Marshall Major 5. Firstly, we need to turn off these headphones. So, we need to locate multifunctional button, what located at the right ear cup, and you need to press and hold it for at least 1 second. Here we go, we just did it. Now your headphones are disconnected from your phone. We can see right here at the device list if you have Apple device, or if you have Android device, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices, and also meaning that your headphones are disconnected. After that you need to also press and hold at this button, and also for something like 1 second. Here we go, and now your headphones reconnect to your phone, and with this method you can fix a lot of small trouble with your headphones, and we have connection here. If you have Android, it will return to My Devices. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.